hate that you see me naked. I hate all the smiles I was faking. I hate that I didn't just punch you that time on our date. You were rude to the waitress. I hate how you'd speak to my brother. I hate that I consider the weather. I hate that the minute we woke up you stood there in trust when I called to your mother. But the thing about these things, now that I'm looking back, I can see some good in the bad. Oh, I love you taught me to fight for myself. Now I can't lose me to anyone. Lessons no that's the worst thing for me. And I'm thanking my lucky stars for all the ways you broke my heart. 'Cause I'm really starting to see you were the best, worst thing for me. I hate how you were fake with my friends, and I hate how much you love perfection. And I hate that you stopped me from singing, 'cause you had me convinced that no one would listen. No, I hate things you'd say after 3 drinks. I hate that when I'd share my feelings you'd play them like a chess game, and I'd hold my tongue, 'cause with you there was no winning. Think about these things, oh, there's no use in holding on.
Mugrang Chef, all about Korean food.
So I love that you taught me to fight for myself. Now I can't lose me to anyone else. I learned lessons no one can teach. You were the best, worst thing for me. I'm thanking my lucky stars for all the ways you broke my heart. 'Cause I'm ready